Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your daily energies, Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys, for your relationship and career situation. Also, I'll be picking few more cards, Pisces. A very happy new year to all of you guys, Pisces. Before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all, guys. So these cards are for your daily energies, Pisces, and these are for your relationship, guys, and for your career situation. These are the cards. So I will open these cards as we proceed. Pisces, King of Wands in reverse, the Moon in reverse, and Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you are having some doubts about something, some kind of confusion, and that may be the reason that you are seeing that in your situation things are going in a very insecure way, and you feel that your future, it is not stable, and you don't feel that a sense of security, and you are putting in tremendous efforts, quite severe how you go about in your work. You are putting in lots of efforts, guys, and you follow your what to say, that beliefs and ideals, some rigid views you have about yourself, about the way you should lead your life. And maybe there are people coming towards you with some kind of guidance, helping you, trying to help you out today, maybe in your career or personal life. So if they are coming towards you, you need to listen to them, guys. Listen to their guidance. If someone is telling you something, at least listen. Maybe if it works out for you, you can follow that, guys. So that is also what I see, guys, with these cards. And also in your situation today, there are people maybe find you very attractive. It may be some kind of physical attraction they have for you, admiration. There may be someone who is admiring you secretly, guys. So this person wants to know more about you, but they are watching you from a distance. It may be someone from your work situation or some of your common friends. So they have an eye for you. That is also what I see. And today, Pisces, you are silent today. Maybe you are waiting for the right time to things to manifest. So you are just being silent, maybe in your work, or it may be something to do with your personal life, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship first. Queen of Cups, the Chariot, Three of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, guys, for your relationship, Pisces, maybe you have your intuition guiding you. Maybe for some of you it may be something good, pointing you towards this person, pointing in a positive way towards this connection. But if it is something bad for you, you need to have that understanding, guys. Listen to that intuition. And maybe for some of you, if you are in a temporary separation, I see that you are going to compromise with each other, going to find that common ground between each other, and you are going to triumph over that misunderstandings or quarrels you have. and you are going to work towards that meaningful positive connection. Maybe this person wants to say sorry and come towards you, get back in this connection with you guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Pisces, for your relationship, let us see what are these cards for your career situation, Pisces. Empress, Ten of Wands in reverse, and Two of Cups. So with these cards, guys, Pisces, for your career situation, I see that you are getting some new offers, some lucrative offers are coming in your situation. Maybe you would have faced lot of troubles or lot of stressful situations, but today you are moving in a positive way. You have that clear understanding what you need, what is your next plan of action in your career situation, and you are having business offers, some opportunity for collaboration or partnership coming your way, something that will work to your benefit, something positive is coming towards you guys, and you will be seeing abundance and prosperity in your career situation, Pisces. So things are going in a very good way in your career situation. All that you love, all that gives you that works towards that greater potential, helps you work with greater potential. So those changes and those opportunities or offers are coming, which is making you extremely happy, guys. That is what I see, guys, for your career situation, Pisces. And you are seeing success, tasting success today with these great changes that are happening today in your career. And that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching this video, Pisces. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.